Hello guys, welcome back again to our GMG chess live streaming. And today let's continue solving chess puzzles. And today let's continue solving chess puzzles. And today let's continue solving chess puzzles. Here, find the best move for white. This one is about attacking the king. We know that the ultimate goal in chess is to checkmate the opponent's king. Here, find the best move for white. How can white shatter the black defense? Knight f6. What a great move, Muhammad. Correct. Knight f6. Knight f6 is like removing the defender of rook. Also, opening the g file for white attack. If black capture the knight, then white simply capture the pawn. Then what are the threats? There are a lot of threats by white. The first one is to check at g4, then queen g7, checkmate. The second, queen takes f8. After king takes f8, there is checkmate at rook d8. Multiple threats. The question is, how can black defend both threats? The queen g4, then queen g7, checkmate, and the queen takes f8, king takes f8, and rook d8, checkmate. Black cannot defend both threats because if black defend the queen g4 threat by queen g3, queen takes f8, king takes f8, rook d8, checkmate. Then if black defend the queen takes f8 threat by rook e8, then queen g4, check. Either king f8, king h8, king h7 will be checkmated at g7. What a great move, Sir Muhammad. Let's move to the next puzzle. I'll find the best move for white. How can white shatter the find the best move for defense? How can white shatter the There are tempting moves. The tempting moves are rook takes h6, queen g5, h5, or rook d1. Those are logical and tempting moves. But which is the best? The maximum time allotted per puzzle is 5 minutes. Then let's check your answers after 5 minutes or before. Queen g5, rook d1. Oh, what a great move. Oh, Sir Gary, correct, queen g5. The idea is to open up the h file. After queen g5, what is the threat? The threat is to checkmate at h6. Then if black capture the queen, white reply h takes g5. It's open the h file, checkmate. What a great move. Queen g5. Let's move to the next puzzle. In this position, how can white shatter the black defense? As you can see in the h6 pawn, there are two black pieces. The two black pieces are protecting the h6 pawn. How can you shatter the two defenders? Thank you for watching again, Jim. Also for Gary. Thank you for your continued support with our page. Rook f6. Very good. Rook f6 is correct. After rook f6, it blocks the defense of queen to h6. Then if bishop capture the rook, now the h6 is unprotected, checkmate. Then what if queen takes e5? Queen takes e5, White reply queen takes h6. Better than rook takes h6 because rook takes h6 is wrong. Rook takes h6, the king can simply move to g8. And black is okay in this position. Queen takes h6 is brilliant, a paradoxical move. If bishop takes queen, rook takes h6 checkmate. If king g8, white simply capture the bishop, either queen or rook checkmate. Let's move to the next puzzle. As you can see, the white is focusing on the g7, but there are knights. There are knights and the queen. Even you capture the knight at e8, the black can simply capture the rook. Still, the queen protects the g7 square. How can white shatter the black defense at g7? Rook e7. Rook e7 is not the best move here because black will simply capture the rook. After bishop takes queen, black has counterplay at e2. Knight e2, forking the king and the queen. After king h2, knight takes queen. And black is winning. Black has passed pawn. But nice try. By the way, thank you for our 8 viewers. Our 8 loyal viewers. Again, this one, find the best move for white. Queen e5. Nice try. Queen e5, the threat is rook takes e8. But after knight takes bishop. Then if you capture with rook, then black can defend. This one, black can play b3. Or even queen f7. Queen e5 is nice try. But there is a brilliant move. Oh, what a great move. Sir Muhammad, correct. The correct answer is bishop c7. After bishop c7, what is the threat? The threat is to capture the knight at e8, followed by queen takes g7. Bishop c7, blockading the defense of queen to g7. Then this one is distracting the black pieces, or the coordination of the black pieces. After rook takes bishop, the knight at e8 is unprotected. Checkmate. If knight takes, again the g7 is unprotected. Checkmate. Then if queen, rook takes knight, removing the defender. The rook that defend the queen is forced to capture the rook. Then queen takes queen. White is winning. Let's move to the next one. What a great answer, Sir Muhammad. Great job. In this position, how can white penetrate to the white king, to the black king? Again, how can white penetrate to the black king? And how can white take advantage of the control E file? Because this is the advantage of white. The white is controlling the E file. Rook E8. Rook E8. After rook E8, force rook takes E8. If you capture with rook, king takes. If you want to discover attack, check to F6. Then G takes F6, queen takes B7, but the queen is protected with rook. Therefore, rook e8 is not the best move because forcing the king to move to e8 so that you can discover with check knight f6 is not effective because the queen at b7 is protected. But good try. But very good. This is the vital square in this position, the e8. A correct knight f6. As I said, the e8, that is the vital square in this position. After knight f6, what is the threat? The threat is rook e8. Checkmate threat. If queen takes f3, blunder because checkmate. Then rook takes e8. Therefore, the knight f6 cannot be ignored because if black ignore, then he will be checkmated. Then force. G takes f6. Then queen takes f6. Then what is the threat? The threat is queen h8 checkmate. After queen f6, king g8, rook e8 check. After rook takes check, king h7, then queen h8 checkmate. Let's move to the next one. How can white shatter the black defense? What a great move. Sir Justin, correct, knight f6 in the previous puzzle. Knight g6, correct. Because if you check first with knight, knight g6 is good idea, but not the best one. Because again, after knight g6, capture, then check, there is knight h6. But before you play knight f6, you need to move other one. But good idea, knight g6. But again, before knight g6, you need to move other one first. You need to move something first. And what should you move first? Correct. What a great move. Jim ace. Very good. Queen takes knight first because that is the defender of the black. Knight h6. Therefore, you need to capture first the best defender of the black. After queen takes knight, the knight cannot block the check of rook later. capture, knight g6 check, force, h takes g6, black last move, queen h4, rook takes h4, checkmate. Oh, good try. Let's move to the next puzzle. Here, if you check to h7, king f8, queen h8, there is king e7. Now, how do you control the e7? What should you do first before queen h7? Oh, great. What a great move, knight d5. Correct. First of all, you need to control the e7. You can control e7 by knight d5. And this one is tempo because not only the e7 square, but also the queen. If black capture the knight, then the rook at e1 is controlling the e file. The king cannot escape to e7 because of rook. After queen h7 check, king f8, checkmate. After knight d5, if queen move to d6, the same thing. The black king cannot escape to e7 because of knight. Queen h7 check, king f8, queen h8 checkmate. Oh, congrats to the three of you. You got the great move. Let's move to number 7. Queen g3, bishop h6. If queen g3, The threat is queen takes g7. After this move, black can play f6. And the g7 is protected with queen. The correct one, yes, bishop h6. Very good. Because black cannot capture the bishop. Check at g4, king h8, checkmate. Now the g7 is under attack. If black play g6, the rook at f8 is hanging. But the best move is to capture the bishop. After c takes d6, queen f6. The checkmate at g7 is unavoidable. Bishop h6 is the best move. Let's move to the next puzzle, number 8. Rook g8. If rook g8, then force. Then if you capture the f7, black will capture first the bishop. Good move. Sorry, the knight. Good move. Then after you capture the bishop, knight takes. Now the king can escape to g7. Rook g8 is not the best move, but the same idea. But the sequence of move is not correct. Knight e7. Knight e7. The threat is to capture the f7, then checkmate at g8. But black simply capture the rook check. Or rook takes h5. Knight e7 is not the correct answer. Queen f7 is correct. What a great move. Sir Muhammad, correct. Queen takes f7. The same idea with rook g8, but the sequence of move is not correct. Queen f7 is the first move. After knight takes f7, then rook g8, brilliant move. The rook can capture, but knight takes f7, checkmate. After queen f7, if rook takes, rook g8, checkmate. If bishop takes knight, queen g7 or queen f8, checkmate. What a great move, Sir Muhammad. Let's move to puzzle number 9. White knight at f6 is so strong. Rook takes c6. What if rook takes c6? The rook will capture back. Rook takes. What if rook takes c6? Knight f6. Actually, rook takes c6 is correct. But what is the follow-up move from white after rook takes c6? This one, rook takes c6, is brilliant move. Then what if rook takes c6? What is the final blow from white? Capture, capture. Queen h4, not queen h4. After rook takes c6, white next move is queen h6. Checkmate is unavoidable. The threat is queen takes h7. If black capture the knight at f6, the rook at f8 now is unprotected. Queen takes f8. Checkmate. Let's move to puzzle number 10. d8 checkmate. Black g6. If white play g6, black can simply capture with pawn. And g6 is not effective. I think this one, knight f5, not knight f6. Rook h1. Rook h1, the threat is queen takes h7. And black reply is force. f6. If g6, queen g7. Then if you capture, g takes h7, king h8. And the pawn at h7 is a shelter from the black king. Rook h1, not the set, not the best move. The correct answer is knight f5. Again, what is the threat of knight f5? The threat of knight f5 is queen g7, checkmate. Also, knight takes e7. Then, white is forced to capture the knight. But after the final blow, knight d5. The threat is knight f6 check, then king h8, queen h7, checkmate. After queen e6 check, if king h8, queen takes h7, checkmate. If queen takes knight, g takes f6, and queen g7 is unavoidable. Let's move to puzzle number 11. How can white take advantage of the open G file? Oh, what a great move! Sir Ambol, correct. Oh, what a great move! Rook takes g6. Sir Ambol, correct. Oh, what a great move! Rook takes g6. Sir Ambol, correct. Oh, what a great move! Rook takes g6. Sir Ambol, correct. Oh, what a great move! Rook takes g6. Sir Ambol, correct. Oh, g6. Sir Ambol, correct. After rook takes g6, h takes g6, queen takes g6, then queen takes g7 is unavoidable. There is no defense against queen g7. If queen c6, capture. Let's move to puzzle number 12. This puzzle is easy. After knight f6, bishop g8, knight h5, brilliant. The threat is queen g7. How can black defend queen g7? By only capturing the knight. But the 6th rank is open for the queen, especially the f6 square. Checkmate. Let's move to puzzle 13. Bishop f6. Bishop f6, no. Because bishop f6, the pawn will capture the bishop first. Then, if knight takes f6, queen takes f6, which is good for black. How can white take advantage of the black with dark squares? The pawn at c3 is blocking the bishop along the a1 to h8 diagonal. The critical square here is the f6. The critical square, the f6. Bishop takes e7, correct. What a great move. Bishop takes e7. After bishop takes e7, if rook takes, then knight f6. After king h8, checkmate at h7. And black queen is forced to capture the bishop. After knight takes e7, white has decisive advantage. Let's move to castle 14. But we solved this earlier. How can white penetrate at g7 square? How can white take advantage of the G7? How can white take advantage of the G7? Bishop H6. Oh no, not Bishop H6. Even Bishop H5 or Knight H5, not the best one. If Knight H5, forced to capture. Then after Bishop takes H5, what is the threat? Rook G1, check. After Rook G1, King H8. After Rook G1, Rook G8. Oh, that is good try. Bishop H5 or Knight H5. By the way, thank you for our 7 loyal viewers. A white can penetrate at G7 by F6. After F6, the threat is Queen G7. And black is forced to capture the pawn at F6, otherwise Queen G7 checkmate. Then Knight D to F5. Then Bishop takes F5. Knight takes F5. Then Queen G7 is unavoidable. Black cannot defend the threat of Queen G7, checkmate. How can white force checkmate? Again, when you say force, check, capture, or threat, attacking black pieces. But here, the force we are talking to is check. Check, 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 checkmate. Sorry. In this position, how can white force to checkmate the black? Correct. Bishop takes g6. As I said, force. Force, check, capture, and attacking the piece. Correct. After bishop takes g6, we can force the black to checkmate. After bishop takes g6, king takes g6, queen g4 check, king h7, queen g7 checkmate. After bishop takes g6 check, if f takes g6, then the 7th rank is open. White can use the 7th rank to attack the king. Queen d7. If king h8, queen g7 checkmate. Nothing changed, even rook f7. That is free. Queen takes f7, king h8, queen g7 checkmate. After bishop takes g6, if king h8, rook takes h6, knight takes h6, queen takes h6, king g8, queen h7 checkmate. Let's move to puzzle 17. The white pieces are penetrating to the black king. And tempting is knight takes g7, also bishop takes g7. But Emanuel Lasker said, if you see a good move, look for the better one, or look for the best one. We know Emanuel Lasker was the second world chess champion. Oh, what a great move. Sir Muhammad, correct. Queen h6. The threat is queen g7 checkmate. If g takes h6, knight takes h6 checkmate. The king cannot move to g7 and h8 because those are controlled by bishop, the g7 and h8. Then if bishop f6, the same thing. Bishop takes f6. Then if capture the queen, checkmate, knight h6. Let's move to puzzle 18. How can white take advantage of the black exposed king along the g file? bishop h5. After bishop h5, what is the threat? Queen g4. But after king h8, no decisive effect. Bishop h5 is good try. Correct, bishop h6. Bishop h6 is penetrating to g7. Penetrating to g7. White only need to do is to check at g4, then queen g7 checkmate. For sure, black will play rook e8. After rook e8, this one is line clearance. Bishop takes a6. After bishop takes a6, the bishop at b7 is hanging. And also, there is queen g4 threat, checkmate. After king h8, queen g7. If bishop takes a6, check. King h8, queen g7, checkmate. If king h8, avoiding check at g4, bishop takes b7. White is simply one piece up. By the way, thank you for watching in our live stream, guys. Maybe we can end here and see you again tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great night. See you again tomorrow.